If you're a fashion startup, you've probably heard this before. Minimum order, 1,000 pieces per style. And that's exactly why most fashion startups fail. High MOQs mean overproduction, unsold stock, and money locked in inventory before the brand even takes off. Over 65% of fashion startups shut down in their first year, not because of bad design, but because traditional manufacturing isn't built for small brands. Today, fashion is moving in a new direction. Limited drops, small batches, sustainable production. And that's why low minimum order quantity clothing manufacturers in India are becoming the go-to choice for startups worldwide. At NoName, we help brands start smart. Just 100 pieces per style or 500 pieces per fabric across multiple designs, with the same quality, guidance, and transparency as large-scale production. You get certified fabrics, expert sampling, strict quality checks, and a partner who helps you reduce risk, avoid waste, and scale when you're ready. Start small, think big, grow with NoName. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.